Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that button and ring that. Hello, this video is going to be a compilation of all the hotels and apartments we stayed in Europe. So I'll be doing because we'll be moving around a lot, and I'll be doing a room tour of all of the places we stayed, so you can have an idea of what it looks like when you want to travel, and so you can have an idea of where to stay when you travel. Currently we're in Leipzig, and this is the first apartment that we're going to be in. So this is the sitting room. We have the artwork there, the lamp. There's this center table here, then the chair and a throw pillow, and this really beautiful lamp. Then we have like a table if you want to work, this chair here, the table, and finally a TV, dining table where to eat. There are first the two on this side, then two more on this side, and it's really cool. I like that it is high and all of that. Then there's this artwork here, really cool. So moving on, this is the kitchen area. There's plates, there's stuff there to cook, plastic and all of that. Then we have the microwave slash oven. Then there's the fridge. Then there's also a drawer here to keep dishwashing soap, sponge and napkin. Then there's a bin for the kitchen. Here we have the washing machine. Even though everything is in German, I'll figure it out. Then this is the hot plate. That's what they call this thing. I've forgotten what it is called, but it's for cooking. Turn it on, you have to long press. This is the sink and everything. There's still more things here. Okay, here we have toasting machine, cutting board, plates, wine cups and drinking glass. Then here we have more cups, dishwashing soap and washing machine, so teacups. Then here I have cutleries, and here we have dishwasher. This is really cool. Another space to hang your clothes and stuff, then maybe shoes in that section. I like that there's this mirror here. More space for clothes, an ironing board to iron your clothes. There's iron here, and more space to keep stuff. I really like the design of this room. Then more space. This is a safe to keep your things. More space. Moving on. So this is the view from the window. The sun is shining today. I have to say it because it's somewhat cold at the moment. This is the view from the room. I really like this space. I like that it has like different drawers. 1, 2, 3 different drawers. Then the space to hang your clothes here. Assalamu alaikum. Quick room tour of this place. The view.
This weather always makes me think about it all. The woman across me, she's wearing a trench coat, a bouquet of roses. I wonder what they're for. A candlelit dinner, a date in the park. almost at the downtown stop. I'm already late, but I don't wanna get up. Outside the city's painted gray, but in here a vivid world is on display. The man behind me, he carries a suitcase, a custom cut suit, but shadows on his face. Was it just a bad day? Will he laugh when he gets home? Or did it all go astray? And now he sleeps alone. I don't know where he's going, I don't even know his name. I don't know if his life has been a breeze or hurricane. I don't know if he's happy or if all he knows is pain. But I do know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train. How many timelines collide inside these walls? How many good times and tear-soaked phone calls? Decades of living, a multiverse ballet. But the earth just keeps spinning, and tomorrow all of these seats will be filled with new faces. Anyway, they won't know where I'm going, they won't even know my name. They won't know if my life has been a breeze or hurricane. They won't know that I sit here writing verses of their.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.